So now it's about 6 p.m., so another 2 hours later. Of course, it's a lot colder now. So it's still the 22nd of January here, just outside DC metro area. And the snow's not coming down super impressive in terms of volume. In terms of size, I mean, but just the volume over time is pretty significant. You can see now things are covered a lot more. It's not super windy yet at all. That's supposed to hit in another couple hours, I think. 25, 30 mile per hour winds. But just still a little bit of snow coming down. And that's it. So I will see you next video. Bye bye.